We shall calculate the angle sector and construct a pie chart of this question. The question says a grade 7 class has 40 learners. The teacher recorded the favorite physical education activities as follows: football, volleyball, athletics, and table tennis. Now, for us to calculate the angle sectors, we shall find the total number of learners that participated. Now, it will be 20 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2. Now, the total number of learners is 20 plus 10, that is 30, 38, 40. Now, it will be 40 learners. Now, on calculating the angle sector, we shall be, for example, we shall take for football, it will be the number of learners in football, which is 20 over the total number of learners that participated, which is 40 times a circle as a total number, the total degrees is 360 degrees. That is angles in a point. It will be 360 degrees. Now it will be 20 over 40 times 360 degrees. 0 by 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 180. It will be 180 degrees. Now football is equals to 180 degrees. We go next to volleyball. It will be 10 over 40 times 360 degrees, which will be 4. It will be 90. Next will be athletics. Athletics is equals to 8 over 40 times 360 degrees, which is, when you divide it will be 72 degrees. Next is table tennis, and table tennis you are given as 2 over 40 times 360 degrees, which will be 18 degrees. Now the question says calculate the sector angles and construct the pie chart. Now using the angles that you have got, we are going straight to constructing a pie chart. And first of all, before we construct the pie chart, you can confirm if your angles are correct. 180 plus 90 is 270. 72 plus 18, that is 90. 270 plus 90, 360. That means the angles that you have got are correct. Now we go straight to constructing the pie chart using these angles. First, we draw the circle. Now that is the circle. Then we proceed to constructing the angles. The first angle is 180 degrees. This is the center of the circle, and 180 degrees is a straight line passing through the center. You can measure if you want, but that is the right thing to do. This is 180 degrees from zero here to 180 degrees. Now the next angle will be 90. The next angle will be 90 degrees. First of all, we can name this. This is football, which is 180 degrees. Next will be volleyball, which is 90 degrees. Now we shall measure like this. 90 will be, no, this is how we do it. Yeah, 90 is here. Now we make a straight line from there. That is 90 degrees, and it is volleyball. The next one is 72 degrees athletics. 72 degrees. Now let's see. This is 70. 70, 72 is right there. Now we make the line. This is 72 degrees, and it is athletics. Now the next one will be automatically 18 degrees, and if you are not sure, you can also try measuring. Now let's confirm if it's 18. Yes, it is 18 exactly, and it is table tennis. And the question says calculate the sector angles and construct the pie chart. That's how you do it. Thank you for listening. Bye.